What's up, y'all? This is my annual bike check for the first time on this bike. I do not have a chain for it. I have snapped over about 12 chains on this bike, repeatedly. Yes, they were the same chains, but yes, they kept on snapping. Like a bitch. Like a bitch! But down to the basics, I'm on 2011 Mirraco No.7, 9.25 inch, I think they're bird regent, bird regent bars. Yes, you got the Primo stickers, ain't what they are. Primo is that sprocket. Hit the 25 tooth. 25 tooth on there. Primo sprocket. I think it's called knee hairs. Anyways, the whole bike's fully chrome ollie. I got black label, 20-inch rims because that's what it came with. The back one was pretty shitty when I first got it. Had to be crude, had to be retightened, exposed numerous times. Fuck y'all on this black label. A bunch of little stickers and all that shit. My bottom bracket sealed. Black label pivotal seat. Black label pivotal stem. Duo SBS Nio. Tan tire in the back. Went to the bike shop. Got this stupid ass little slimmy slim. Contact Kendra. That little tire. Kids need to shut the fuck up. Odyssey, Brock signature, racing grips. Black label stem, nobody wants to look at you, you stupid fucking bitch. Cane Creek headset, full chrome ollie. Yeah, it's a full chrome ollie. Fucking forks and yeah, a whole bunch of other shit. I got black label crank, 3-piece crank. Are y'all fucking kidding me? Shut the fuck up over there. Black label pedals. I'm sorry, y'all. This fucking kid's back here and it's fucking annoying. So, yeah.